Hello YouTube. I have successfully put the sound package in this Golden Gate Depot diner, and it works great. It looks great. For starters, you could see the nice bright lights inside. This is the Lionel lighting board, which is so much better than the Golden Gate Depot one. See how nice and bright it is in there, and let's compare that with the car right behind it. You can see how uneven the lighting is, and it's a lot dimmer, and it's an older incandescent type of lighting strip, and it absorbs a lot more power, whereas this LED one is flicker free and much brighter. So I'm going to convert the whole train to these LED light strips by Lionel eventually. But there you go. The sound package is over here, and I painted those windows black from the inside so that you wouldn't see them. But so I'll let you hear the Station Sounds Diner now.
Attention passengers, the Empire State Express has arrived.
Thanks for riding with us. Thank you. Thanks for riding the Express. Mind the gap.
May I have your attention, please? The Empire State Express is now boarding.
The Empire State Express is now departing. All aboard. All aboard! All aboard the Empire State Express!
Welcome aboard, folks!
Ticket, please. Can I see your ticket? Thank you. The ticket. Thank you, ma'am.
Hey, folks, the first seating is now open in the dining car.
Next stop coming up. Next stop coming up. Next stop coming up.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Empire State Express has arrived.
Well, there you go. It's awesome. I love this set with the sound package installed. So that's it for now. See you again next time. Bye-bye.